welcome back to PageFly video tutorials series. In this video, I will guide you how to set up the Klaviyo Sign-up Form on PageFly pages. This kind of form will help you collect visitor data and convert them to your customers. Don't forget that we have 24/7 in-app live chat, so that you can reach out anytime you need help. Here is the PageFly page editor. You can find the Klaviyo element here. Drag it into the editor. In the General tab, you need to add an embed form ID here. To get this code, you need to configure the settings in Klaviyo app. So go ahead to Klaviyo app dashboard. After installing the app and filling all related information, the dashboard will show like this. Click Create New button here to create a sign-up form. Klaviyo provides lots of email templates, so that you can pick one to use. Or you can customize the form from scratch. You can choose the type of form you want to create, such as pop-up, flyout, or embed. I will click on the embed form. Tick the desktop and mobile box here to show the form on both devices. I will choose one of email template. And start editing it. Change the name of the form here. And choose where email data will go to. Click Create Form to start. Here is the email editing canvas, where you can edit embed email. Click on each object of the form, and you can edit easily in the left toolbar. You can change the text, change its style. Or customize the button by changing the button click action. Or button style. Back to the canvas. You can add more elements you want. Or delete elements you don't like. Switch to Styles tab to edit style of the form. Or Behavior tab to get the embed code. You can also edit the content of success message. Then after all settings are done, you can publish the form. A pop-up will show like this. Click Publish. Go ahead to PageFly page editor, and paste the code here. After adding the code, feel free to publish the page. And open it on live view. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.